Welcome to another episode on exploring NFT projects. We're going to be checking the Meebit NFT. The creators behind CryptoPunks, one of the most popular NFT projects on the web, just revealed their latest project called Meebit. The project boasts 20,000 procedural generated 3D characters that are tradable on the Ethereum blockchain. Meebit arrives at a time of peak hype for their first effort, CryptoPunks, which is weeks away from a Christie's auction that many are expecting to see fetch a prize in the tens of millions of dollars. The company is distributing the Meebit avatars through a Dutch auction, meaning the price for buying and minting a Meebit will lower to 0 Ether plus Ethereum gas fees, of course, over the course of a week. Currently, users are paying 2.49 Ether to mint a Meebit at random, a nearly $8,500 investment at current prices. Nevertheless, around 2,000 of them have already sold, meaning the creators have already pulled in nearly $20 million worth of Ether after just over 2 hours on the market. Think NFTs.
Anathon, redefining learning.